A person pulls a block of 12 kg to the right using a light inextensible rope T. The block is pulled from point A to point B at an angle of 40 degrees between the rope and the horizontal surface. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and the surface is 0.31. The block is pulled at a constant velocity of 10 meters per second as shown in the diagram below. Define the kinetic frictional force. The force that opposes the motion of a moving object are relative to a surface. Question number 2, to draw a free body diagram of all the forces acting on 12 kg block while it is moving at a constant velocity. Now, so since ku-4 marks ukuthi ama-force wethu fanele abe u-4. Tension force, normal force, then a frictional force. Fg, Fm normal, F small letter f, Ft tension force. Okay, bese la siba nama-component we-tension force okungafanele siwaveze kwi-free body diagram. So sino-Ft in x direction, sino-Ft in y direction. Nakho kufanele ukwazi ukuthi u-Ft in y direction ulingana no-Ft sin of theta, u-Ft in x direction ulingana no-Ft cos of theta. Okay. Now, equation elandelayo ithi calculate the magnitude of the tension. Before calculate the magnitude of the tension, khumbule sidinga ukusebenzisa ama-forces that are parallel to the surface. Kulawa ma-forces khona i-frictional force esingayazi, kodwa sinikeziwe u-μk wakhona. Before calculate i-frictional force sidinga i-normal force esingayazi. Khumbuleke, mangabe calculate i-normal force sibheka ama-forces aya phezulu siwa-equate kuma-forces aya phansi. So ake senze njalo. Normal force plus Ft in y direction is equal to Fg. Normal force Ft in y direction khumbule u-Ft sin of theta is equal to mg. Ft is unknown. Sin of 40 is equal to mesela 12 times 1, 9,8. Now, so normal force is equal to 12 times 9,8 minus Ft sin of 40. Normal force is equal to 12 times 9,8, 117,6 minus sin of 40. So 0.6427 Ft. So that is the normal force in terms of T. Now, since in a normal force, if I calculate frictional force, Fk is equal to μk times normal force. μk way to 0.31. Normal force 117,6 minus 0.6427 Ft. Now, 0,3 times 117,6 uzokhiphela 36,456 minus 0,31 times 0,6427 uzokhiphela 0,1992 FT. Okay, manje sesingabhala-ke lama-forces esithi thina a-parallel to the surface lawaya sibhala F net wakhona. So to F net is equal to MA. So ama-forces ayakwa-right, sokhetha ukuya kwa-right as positive ngoba i-system yangakhona. So ama-forces ayakwa-left azoba negative. Ingakho soba ne-tension force in x direction positive minus Fk is equated to 0. Why is equated to 0? The system is moving with a constant velocity. Now, Ft in x direction, or Ft cos of theta minus, plus 5 bracket, so about 36,456 minus 0,1992 Ft is equal to 0. So sesingavula i-bracket, kuzoba Ft cos of 40 minus 36,456 plus 0,1992 Ft is equal to 0. Sesingahlanganisa ama-like terms. Cos of 40 uzosinikeza bani? Cos of 40 usinikeza 0,766 Ft simhlanganise no plus 0,1999 2 Ft is equal to simeqise loya kuzoba 36,456. Sihlanganise lama-like terms plus 1,992 soba no 0,9652 Ft elingana na 36,456. Then Ft wethu uzolingana nobani? 36,456 divided by an answer uzolingana 37,77 newtons. Now sesiyitholile i-tension force Ft ilingana na 37,77 newtons. Now equation elandela lapho ithi calculate, okay, the block is moved horizontal a distance of 24 meters from point A to point B. Now, let's calculate the time it will take the block to reach point B. Kothatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi sifike laphana ku-point B. Khumbule, we are moving with a constant velocity. Sesinikeziwe i-distance yokuthi ukusuka la sesizofika laphaya sohamba bani 24 meters. Khumbule sinayo i-velocity esihamba ngayo, ayisiyo zero velocity u-10 meters per second. Thina kwethu calculate ukuthi kuzothatha isikhathi esingakanani. Now singasebenzisa nansi i-method. Singasebenzisa i-method yaka-grade 9 or sisebenzise yona le. Yaka-grade 9 ile ye-triangle ethi DST. Now sifuna isikhathi D over d over speed okuwukuthi i-distance u-24 sihamba ngo-10 zosinikeza isikhathi lokho. Isikhathi sethu kuzoba ubani? Kuzoba u-2,4 second. Sisebenzise yona le yakwa-grade 12 ethi dx or dy is equal to initial velocity delta t plus half a change in t squared. Now le part le izoba u-0. Why izoba u-0 le part? I-distance yethu 24. Why izoba u-0 le part le? Ingoba the system is moving with a constant velocity in acceleration yethu izoba u-0. So i-velocity yethu 10 isikhathi then plus 0. Now izoba u-24 10 delta t divide by 10 divide by 10 delta t izoba ni 2,4 second. Uzothatha u-2,4 second kusuka ku-point A uyofika kubani? Ku-point B. Now i-question elandela lapho ithi if the block's velocity is increased to a constant velocity of 20 meters per second, how will the frictional force be affected? Right, only increase, decrease, or remain the same? The answer will be remain the same. Why remain the same frictional force? I-frictional force ayi-affectwa i-speed semoto, but i-affectwa uhlobo lwe-surface i-object esuke ihamba kulo. Namanga UK lo affectwa i-type of a surface, but i-frictional force izo-affectwa i-angle. Uma ngabe si-increase i-angle lapha noma siyi-decrease, frictional force iya-affecteka ngoba kuzo-affecteka i-normal force. But UK lo coefficient of kinetic friction that will be affected by the type of surface. So it will remain the same. Now, the angle between the rope and the horizontal surface is increased to 50 degrees. Now, what will be the effect on the kinetic frictional force acting on the block? Right, only increase, decrease, or remain the same? Explain the answer. So, kuzodecrease kanjani? Ngithanda ukuthi siyenze practical siyibone. Ngisule la. Kuzodecrease now. Ake ngenze nje ngokukhulu ukushesha. U-FT in y direction nguyena engizomdinga. Ukhumbule i-tension force siyitholile shuthi 37,77 sin of theta. U-FT in y direction uzolingana nobani? Uzolingana 37,77 times sin of 40 njengamanje sisebenzisa u-40. Masisebenzisa u-40 laphaya ngifaka. Masisebenzisa u-40 sizothola 24,27 newtons. Now ukhumbuleke normal force yethu izothi Fg minus F applied in y, Ft in y direction. So lona u-mg lana siyamazi u-Ft sin of theta. So i-mass u-12 times 9,8. So lana u-117,6 minus simtholile lo, simthole 24,27. Sibone i-normal force izoba njani. Minus 24,27. Kuzoba u-93. Kuzoba u-93,33. Siphinde sibuke futhi i-normal force again. 117,6. So lapha esikhundleni sa-40 sesizosebenzisa u-50 sibone ukuthi u-Ft in y direction uzophuma ubani. So sesizothi 37, ngithi bathe bayishintsha i-angle bayi-increase. So ngibona uma-increase i-angle izo-affect-a kanjani i-normal force times sin of 50 kuzoba u-25. 25,86 newtons. So laphana sesizomayinaza u-25,86 newton. Isikhundleni sokuthi besi-subtract u-24 sesizo-subtract bani? U-25. Ngibona ukuthi izokhuphuka i-normal force noma izokwehla. 117,6 minus and-answer. Normal force yethu iyehla 91,73 newtons. So uma ngabe si-increase i-angle iba nkulu inamba esizoyi-subtracta ku-FG noma ku-mg. Lokho kwenza ukuthi i-normal force ibe njani? Inciphe. Isuke ku-93 iye kubani? Iye ku-91. Uku-increase kwethu i-angle si-increase inamba esizoyi-subtracta kubani? Ku-FG. Lokho kwenza ukuthi i-normal force yenze njani? I-decrease. Khumbuleke, according to this formula, Fk is equal to mu k times the normal force. Mu k constant. So Fk usho ukuthi directly proportional to normal force. So if normal force ikhuphuka, no Fk uzokhuphuka. If normal force yehla, no Fk uzowenzani? Uzokwehla. But in this case, sikhuphule i-angle yakhuphuka inamba esiyi-subtracta ku-mg, i-normal force yenza njani? Yehla. So ukwehla kwe-normal force kuzokwehla ini? I-frictional force. So ukukhuphuka kwe-angle ngokwale case le esinayo njengamanje, ukukhuphuka kwe-angle kwenze ukuthi i-normal force i-decrease, kwenza ukuthi i-frictional force i-decrease. So uma usubhala uzobhala uthini? Uqala laphayana sithe sikhetha ubani? U-decrease. Mase uphendula-ke for lo 3 marks ongaphansi uzophendula kanjani? Uzophendula kodwa khona ekugcineni uzawuphendula. So uzothi as theta increases, the Fy will increase. So according to this formula, normal force is equal to Fg minus Fy and normal force will decrease. So if the normal force decreases, ukhumbule, normal force is directly proportional to bani? This case, normal force is directly proportional to Fk. So shilo-ke vele. Iyona ncazelo yakho le. Ukuthi mangabe ku-increase i-theta, u-Fy simbone increase. So ngokwale formula le, uku-increase kwa-Fy kuzokwenza ukuthi i-normal force yenze njani? I-decrease i-normal force. Therefore, khumbuleke i-normal force is directly proportional to Fk. Once normal force ya-decrease kusho ukuthi no-Fk uzenzani? Uzo-decrease. While mu k remain constant. Masufuna wonke kama-marks ungasho kwathi while mu k remain constant. So uzoyiphendula kanjalo-ke le question. Sakubona elandelayo. Yo, yesizame ukuyixwathisa ngashinyane. Now, a rocket of mass m is launched from a surface of the Earth. The initial weight of the rocket is 5,38 times 10 to the power of 6. The mass of the rocket decreases due to the loss of fuel that is used to propel the rocket. When the distance between the center of the rocket and the surface of the Earth is 9,000, the rocket experiences a gravitational force of 5,04 times 10 to the power of 6. The diagram below is not drawn to scale. Now, so i-rocket yethu iqalise la bafowethu. So, u-FG wethu mayisela i-rocket u-5,38 times 10 to the power of 5 newtons. Mangabe isihambile, ihamba le distance le ewu-900. 9,000, I mean, 9,000 meters. I-experiencer, again, FG, obani, 5,04 times 10 to the power of 6 newtons. Now, bathi calculate the mass m of the rocket before it is launched. So, since i-rocket isala, akabibikho distance between the rocket and the surface of the Earth. So, sebenzisa FG lo esimjwayele. So, FG is equal to mg. Now, FG ubani sinikeze ukuthi 5,38 times 10 to the power of 6. Sifuna i-mass 9,8. So, divide ngo 9,8 on both sides. So, thola i-mass yethu. Iwubani i-mass yethu? Sizoyithola ewu-5,4,8,9,7,9,59 kilograms. I-mass yethu le. So, uma ngabe sihambile i-rocket now, sekukhona i-space between the surface of the Earth and the rocket. Or i-distance okubani? Oku-9,000. Okay. So, ukhumbuleke le distance le ile osinikezwayo. But when the distance between the center of the rocket and the surface, the distance esinikezwayo ile, makuthiwa the surface nansi i-surface. The center of the rocket and the surface is 9,000 meters. Ukhumbuleke kukhona i-distance from the center of the Earth to the surface. Esiye siyibize ngokuthi i-radius of the Earth. Radius of the Earth ikhona ngale kwi-formula sheet. So kufanele uthi take into account that radius of the Earth mangabe uswenza i-calculation. So sizothini? Njengamanje lana bathi calculate the mass of the rocket when it is 9,000 meters from the surface of the Earth. Khumbule kuthiwa ngesikhathi i-rocket ihamba i-mass yayo iyancipha juu inakhuzana upetrol wakhona. uyancipha, so nemass ye-rocket iyancipha. But-ke uma ngabe sihambe ibanga elu-9,000 isiwa kwi-surface of the earth, sitholela imass yakhona. Now sizosebenzisa le formula ethi Fg is equal to G mass of the earth times mass of the rocket all over r squared. Now lo simnikeziwe ukuthi mangabe sihambe u-9,000 force of gravity ubani. U-G lo i-constant u-6,67 times 10 to the power of minus 11. Now mass of the earth siyayazi constant uyibheka ngale ngemuva kwi-data sheet ku-i kanje me mass of the earth izoba u-5 izoba u-5,98 times 10 to the power of 24, then multiply by mass m2, so multiply, then we divide by distance. Radius of the earth was 6,38 times 10 to the power of 6 plus ubani on 9,000 all squared. So sizosolva-ke wenza u-m abe yi-subject of the formula ekugcineni mass of the earth, noma ngizame nje ukumultiplya sibone ukuthi how to go about. So sizomultiply ngalo, so kahle kahle sizogcina sesisele no 6,67 times 10 to the power of minus 11 times 5,98 times 10 to the power of 24. M is equal to loss of times ngayo lapha over 5,04 times 10 to the power of 6. Space anginaso times ngalo 6,38 times 10 to the power of 6 plus 9,000 all squared. Sesivide ngalona on both sides. Niyabona guys, ngizodivide ngalo bazokhanselana lo yazi lapha 6,67 times 10 to the power of minus 11 times ngo-5,9 njalo njalo. U-m ekugcineni fanele asitshene noma simthole u-5,1578.5,7 kilograms. That is the mass of a rocket. Mangabe selihambe ibanga elu-9,000 liswa kwi-surface of the earth. Now, equation elandelayo laphana bathi calculate the mass of the fuel that was consumed when the rocket reached 9,000 meters from the earth. Now, usuzothi sinama-mass awu-2, khumbula sine-mass ye-rocket isala sahlezi kwi-earth, kwi-surface of the earth, bese siba ne-mass ye-rocket esihambe 9,000 meters from the surface of the earth. So sifanele sithi sithole i-mass that was consumed. Sesizothi i-mass 2 noma sithi nje mass 1 ngoba mass 1 beyisankulu, mass 1 minus mass 2 beku-5,54,897,9,59 minus 5,15,785,7. Lokho kuzosinikeza u-33,193,89 kilograms. Now, equation elandela lapho ithi the rocket is on its way straight to the moon. What will happen to the gravitational force between the moon and the rocket as the distance between the earth and the rocket increases? What will happen to the gravitational force between the moon and the rocket as the distance between the Earth and the rocket increases. The gravitational force will increase. The gravitational force will increase.